Welcome back. Now we are going to the fifth subsection of the fourth numerical in the fifth exercise of pair of linear equations in two variables. The question is, the area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and the breadth by 2 units, the area increases by 67 square units. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. You have to find the dimension of rectangle, which means you have to find length and breadth. So we will say, let length is equal to x. Let breadth equal to y. So I'm naming them like this. Length is equal to x and breadth is equal to y. Then I know the area. What is area? Area is length into breadth, xy. Area is xy. Now if its length is reduced by 5 units, so x minus 5. Breadth is increased by 3 units, y plus 3. I will get area reduced by 9. Area is xy, so xy minus 9. Open the bracket here. X into y, xy. X into 3 plus 3x minus 5 into y minus 5y minus 5 into 3 minus 15 is equal to xy minus 9. Here you will notice xy will get cancelled. Bring minus 9 this side. I will have 3x minus 5y minus 15 plus 9 is equal to 0, or 3x minus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is my first equation. So from this equation, I got A1. A1 is 3. B1 is minus 5. C1 is minus 6. This is the information I got from the first equation. Now I will get the second equation. If we increase the length by 3 units, so x plus 3, breadth by 2 units, y plus 2, then area will increase by 67. So xy plus 67. Again, open the bracket. X into y, xy, x into 2 plus 2x, y into 3 plus 3y, 2 into 3 plus 6 is equal to xy plus 67. Here you will notice xy will get cancelled. So 2x plus 3y plus 6 minus 67 is equal to 0. 67 I brought on the other side. This is 2x plus 3y minus 61 is equal to 0. So here I will get A2 now. A2 is 2, B2 3 and C2 minus 61. Now if I have A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, I know how to find x. How to find x? X is equal to, start with coefficient of y, B1, C2 minus B2, C1 divided by A1, B2 minus A2, B1. Start with the coefficient of y. Now I can substitute x. X is equal to B1. What is B1? Minus 5. What is C2? Minus 61. Minus B2. B2 is 3 and C1 is minus 6. Divided by A1. What is A1? 3. And what is B2? 3. Minus A2. What is A2? 2. And what is B1? Minus 5. So into minus 5. So x is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So minus into minus plus. So plus 3 not 5. 6 into 3, 18. Minus into minus again plus. So 3 not 5 plus 18 divided by 9. 2 into 5, 10. Minus into minus plus 10. So I have x is equal to 323 by 19. This is what I have. Now I have to divide this. To divide this, see which number multiplied with 9 will give you the last digit as 3. Last digit should be 3. So if I have 9 into 1, it is 9. 9 into 2, it is 18. 9 into 3, it is 27. But I need the last digit to be 3. If I continue, 9 into 7 is 63. So the answer will be with respect to 7. Last digit is 7. So it can be 7, it can be 17, it can be 27 and so on. Now if it is 7, 19 into 7 is less than 190. Not possible. So 19 into 17, that is less than 200, more than 200, less than 400. So that is working for us. So check that. 19 into 17. 7 into 9, 63. 7 ones are 7, 13 into 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 1. So 3. 9 plus 3, 22. 1, 2, 3, 323, which means it will go 17 times. X is equal to 17. I got X. Very simple. Just multiply 19 into 17. So to identify that, I told you, look for the last one. If the last number multiplied with 9, last digit should be 3. That will be the answer. Check for those numbers. So 7, 17, 27. 27 is crossing 400. So it's not possible. So you check 7 and 17. 7 is less than 200. Not possible. So it has to be 17. Very easily you'll get the answer. Now we go for y. What is y formula? Y is start with C now. The next after y is constant. So start with C. C1 A2 minus C2 A1 divided by denominator is the same. A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So y is equal to C1. C1 is minus 6 into A2. A2 is 2 minus C2. What is C2? Minus 61 into A1. A1 is 3 divided by this is the same 9 plus 10. So y is equal to minus 12 and this is 61 into 3, 318, 183 minus minus plus plus 183 divided by 19 or y is equal to 183 minus 12. So 2 will become 1 there. This will become 7, 171 divided by 19. Now again, multiply 9 with a number whose last digit is 1. So when you multiply 9, 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81. So check there itself. 19 into 9. Check there. 19 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 1s are 9. Plus 8, 17. 171 matching. So it becomes 9. So y is equal to 9. This will be the answer. Length. What is the length now? Length is equal to 17 meters. Or whatever 17 units. Length is equal to 17 units and breadth is equal to 9 units. This is the answer. 17 units and 9 units. So very simple. First we said length is x, breadth is y, area is xy. So first case x minus y into y plus 3 is xy minus 9 because reduces by 9 square units. Open the bracket xy will get cancelled. 3x minus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. So we got A1, B1 and C1. Then second case, x plus 3 and into y plus 2 is xy plus 67. Area increased by 67 square units. Again, xy will get cancelled. 2x plus 3y minus 61 is equal to 0. You got A2 as 2, B2 as 3 and C2 as minus 61. Then formula directly, x is B1 C2 minus B2 C1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Substitute. Minus 5 into minus 61, that is 305. 3 into 6, 18. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 5, 10. That's 323 by 19. I told you the shortcut. Multiply and see last digit should be 3. So it should be 7. So 7, 17, 27, 37. One of those numbers are the answer. 17, you got the answer. Then y is C1. A2 minus C2 A1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Substitute. Minus 6 into 2 is minus 12. Minus 61 into 3 minus 8, 183. But one more minus sign outside, so plus 183. You will get 171 by 19. Again, multiply such that the last digit should be 1, that is 9. So it will go 9 times. So length is 17 units and breadth is 9 units.